Hey guys, what's going on? This is Addison from LeSueur Car Company, and I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to reduce charging anxiety in the 2022 Volvo XC40 Recharge. Let's get right to it. So something super cool about these XC40s is that they actually have Google. And so let's just say you need to get to a location, you're kind of stressed about charging the car on the way there. So for this example, I'm going to use Alberta, Canada. Hey Google, give me directions to Alberta, Canada.
Alberta is 30 hours from your location by car in light traffic.
So something super cool about this is that you can actually add charging stops, and they will give you all the charging stops all the way to there. And not only that, but it will show you the battery that your car will have by the time you get there to each charging stop. You can actually see all stops, and there's just tons, so many. And each one of these is usually around 12% because it doesn't want you to start stressing out too much, you know what I mean? So anyways, guys, I hope this quick tutorial actually helped you a little bit. I know if I had an electric vehicle, this definitely would save me a lot of stress. But with that, I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya!